The numbers are in. Here's what happened in June of 2023 in Salt Lake County. 1,046 total sales, condos, single family, and townhomes with a median price of $520,000 and an average days on market of 14 days sold. How does this compare to prior Junes? Well, in 2022, over 1,400 homes sold with a median price of $540,000. And in 2021, over 1,800 homes sold, the median price of $475,000. Here's what stands out to me though. Over the past 5 years, there are only 4 months where there were under 1,000 sales total in any given month. And that's January of 2018, 19, 2020, and 2022. So typically only in January. Then we hit October of 2022, and since then, we've only had 3 months in which sales were over 1,000 units. And that was just this past March, May, and June. Yet pricing, it only remains about 6.5% off of all-time peak pricing. However, this June, median and average price went down just a little bit from where they were in May. And this is very rare. Over the past 20 years, there's only been 2 years in which June's pricing was a little bit less than May. To have it go down is very odd. What does it all mean? The market is very, very, very interest rate dependent right now. Rates go down just a little bit and sales spur and pricing remains firm. Rates go up a bit and everyone presses pause. So look, if you're wanting to sell, pricing still remains only slightly off all-time peak pricing, and inventory is still very, very low. Thus, it's still a good time to sell. There's a lot of talk that this pent-up demand of sellers will all decide to sell at the same time when rates are lower, and they can upgrade to a new home and lock in a lower interest rate. Most experts think this is around 5%. I believe this to be true. We don't know when, but when it does happen, and everyone who's wanted to upgrade over the past few years decides to upgrade and sell at the same time, it will spike inventory and likely reduce pricing. Thus, you could wait and perhaps get a better buy and have more options, but at the same time, you would likely sell your current home for less money and have a harder time selling it with more competition. Or the alternative is you upgrade now, you get close to top dollar for your current home and get a higher interest rate on the new home you're gonna buy, but then refinance when rates go down. If you listen to anybody talking current real estate, that's the talk right now. And it's what's on everyone's mind. Really, it's one of those markets where you've got to pick your poison.